Stick what?
Sticking to the left this time.
Okay.
I want the flashlight. Oh, this stuff respawns, so that's nice.
Oh yeah.
What is this? We already discovered that. Should be ammo on the ground. Yeah.
What
What
is
is can?
Can?
you see
See
this?
this? I'm shining my flashlight at? No.
Is it
Is
a
it
flask?
I don't know what you're talking about, hon.
Air tank.
Oh, yeah. Well, I can't see those items that I already picked up. We'll see. That's spooky. So spooky. We'll see if they respawn back.
I look around and
You
I
coming?
look up and you're gone. I was looking around. You're way.
Ahead of me.
We're on a mission, man.
I feel like we're in the grocery store
again.
Oh, yeah. We're on a mission.
Some of us are not excited for the babies
and shit.
Well, we don't have to go that way this time.
What do you think the other thing's
gonna be on the other side? Ooh.
We'll see.
So a lot of
Yeah.
Should we take the floaty?
Yeah. They are spawned back on. You ready for this encounter?
I have my axe.
Hold up. Toss this. I'm also gonna do something else.
What are you gonna do?
You want me to get spears out?
Yeah!
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, it makes your ears ring.
Screw those guys.
Well, I thought it was gonna be a bigger
explosion. Oh no.
Ah! Oh my god, they're up there crawling. No.
Just don't forget to block.
Yeah.
I got my spear out.
I feel like they're coming behind me. Jesus. Why do they crawl up the side of the fucking wall like that? Oh, run away!
Be careful. Oh. Get him!
Well, he heard me. Hey, come on. He definitely heard me say that.
So we're sticking to the left path this time. Hopefully it's not too much deeper.
I'm nervous about that big
creature.
Life
jacket?
Oh, another floaty! They're cute floaties.
Yeah. Makes you think, what are people doing down here? And pop a flare. I don't think this is like a tourist destination, hon. Actually, no, there's cultists. What am I saying?
Well, maybe they wanted to be safe.
Coming down to the cave.
They wanted to have fun.
That's why we don't go cave diving.
There's a million more reasons why
we don't go cave diving.
Look for the baddies. I don't see any, I don't think.
I see stuff over here. it goes through.
Okay.
We go this way? Or
That
that way?
way?
Or this
Or
way?
this
This way, probably. It seems like.
Makes me think of that.
as above, so below.
Oh, I know it. That's what the enemies in here look like.
Yeah,
They do.
Dude, the first time the phone rang, there's just a ringing sound in the cave. First time I watched it, oh, there's something in the water. Something in the water. The water's moving. There's a shark! There's a fucking shark in the water? What the fuck, dude?
How do you get down here?
Shh, I don't know. He's somebody's pet. There's 2 sharks in the water.
What the heck? Okay. So walk. I don't think we have to mess with the sharks.
Are they not guarding anything over there? Because there's a freaking right.
I just walked. I found the rebreather.
Oh, look at you. I see. I can't find shit. Yeah. Place.
Got a bunch of goodies over here. I'll pick this stuff up.
Ooh.
I wonder if there's anything down.
I want to know why there's so many watches. What are the watches for? To tell the time? I don't know.
For bombs, I think.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. One of those bottles just started rolling. That's creepy.
Okay. Doesn't look like there's anything at the bottom of that, so we don't have to go down there. Did you pick up the food that's over here? It's like right here in this corner.
Think?
And bottles.
Yes. That is...
And more cloth. We need cloth.
Yes.
Yep.
I'm gonna throw a grenade at the shark. You think it'll kill it?
Depends. I'm not for sure.
Might.
I don't know quite how that works in this game.
We run into something.
There are bigger things in this game. There's a boss in this game. I plan on getting to it. Huh?
The beast thing that we saw?
Or no?
Maybe. We have to go up here. You can jump up these rocks, huh? I think you can almost climb up. No, you don't climb. You just jump on them. Over here. These little steps. Where I'm at. A little goober. Yeah, you just jump up here. Like that. There you go. Oh no, there's a long way. That was just a short way.
I don't like the sounds in the cave.
Yeah, unfortunately we have another cave to go into to get the rope gun. But that'll be for
a new cave?
the next day. Yep. I can't pop it.
You know like this cave water.
Do you know what?
Is it supposed to be better to drink?
I think so. People pay good money for mineral water.
I remember when I went to Puerto Rico, that's what they were saying.
Oh yeah.
Is this another spot? We come this way?
Yeah, we went that way. That's the other way.
See, I'll get lost. You're in. I'd have to quit the game just to like. No, that wouldn't even help because I would just respawn back where I left off.
Yep. Hep. Hep.
You move very fast.
I'm just walking, admiring the view. Let's see if we can grab some turtles, and then we'll ransack the crash site and the thing on the beach.
Yeah, we haven't seen turtles
in forever.
No. It's been a minute. I wanted to get those traps built, but I think we found a better alternative trap-wise.
Yeah. Oh, this love the sunlight.
Ooh, in the rain. Put that flashlight up. So, when you walk into the water, should automatically equip the rebreather? No.
No? You have to put it on beforehand?
Yeah. I thought it helped you, like, move.
Or just help you breathe?
I guess so. Well, let's see. I get deep enough.
I'm looking for curtains. Where are you?
Well, I don't have an oxygen meter.
I have that,
Oh no, I was definitely suffocating.
Huh?
Huh?
I said, I think I picked up an oxygen tank. Maybe.
Do we have to connect the two? Where's the
Possibly. So much heart. Yeah, I have air tank. I have two. You want to take one?
No.
No?
Just make sure you don't have it equipped all the time, so we can conserve air.
Okay.
Only use it when we need it. I got a tactical jacket.
Nice.
I think that's what I have on right now.
I'm on the other side.
Yeah, I see that. I'm gonna go loot these suitcases over here since we can. Try to get some more 9mm ammo.
Oh, I'm about to come where you are. So I was looking for...
Oh, that's not where I was going. I'm going on the same side you're at.
Oh. I need to come back a little bit. I was trying to look and see if maybe there'd be turtles down here. Because it looked like they were coming from this direction last time. Oh, look! No. Yeah, there's one! Aha!
Hit it.
Sorry. Very sorry. Oh, so bad. Because they're not doing anything. They're so slow.
We need the shells. Your sacrifices for a good cause.
Okay. Usually there's two. There's usually two at a time. I don't...
Yes, the mating pair. Oh, I can pick up... that's just a rock. Here's the second one.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. Golly, tough little. Okay, now he's toast. I was about to say he's a tough little bastard, huh?
Yeah, here it is.
How many shells could you carry at a time?
I don't know.
It's either 2 or 4. I can't remember. Oh, there's a lot more stuff over here where I'm at. Suggest you come over here
I gotta see where you are.
after you get that suitcase, the suitcase stuff.
How many watches? Where'd you?
It's over here.
Oh, I'm not. This is Joe. What are you doing, Joe? Over here.
He's supposed to be building a base. What the heck? What is he doing? We need 175 sticks.
Over here.
There's a lot of goodies over here.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's just right here in this little cove line.
There's a lot of stuff over here.
Loot and scoot. Loot and scoot.
Hey, can opener!
Wait, you got the can opener? What the heck?
Yeah!
I didn't get the can opener.
Does it show you one? There's one right here. That's where I just picked it up.
Did I pick it up on accident? Oh, I did. Nice. Now we can finally open the cans of food.
I think there's oysters in the water.
Yeah, there is.
I mean, they're nasty, but... So if you don't eat it after a while, I guess it just gets rotten in your pack.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that before. Because I picked up fish, and I was excited about it. I was like, oh, that's something different.
You can eat the fish raw. It's not supposed to hurt you. It's the same with the oysters.
Seafood is nasty.
Not all seafood's bad. You gotta have it cooked right.
It makes me want to explore the beach more.
Because it's safe.
Exactly.
Feel comfortable over here.
Yes.
We're not gonna get off this island if we don't go in.
Where else do you want to go?
To the other side of the beach.
Oh. Last time I swam across instead of going around when you got attacked over at that camp.
Oh my gosh.
Another turtle!
Get it!
Sorry.
Don't be sorry.
I am sorry though.
If you was in the same boat,
I'm just hiding there.
you'd be next.
Probably the first time they're coming out since they got
If the roles were reversed, the turtle would not give you any sympathy.
Probably because they're like
Cold-blooded.
been hunted for forever.
That turtle was
Wonder if
the size of a house. He'd eat you regardless.
the turtle were that big, they ate stuff different.
That's facts.
Sneezing. Achoo! Why does it matter? That's such a good movie.
Yeah, it's a pretty good one.
Did you ever see the second one?
No, I did not.
It's decent.
So we're gonna need to get the rope
Rope
gun next. That's much further in. I don't think we've been that far in.
When you showed me the whole map, I didn't realize. Because I thought we were going pretty far last time when we drove out where the guy was hanging.
Nope.
But I mean, they get points for it being realistic.
Oh yeah, for sure. We need to find out what we need to do with that helicopter event.
I know, because it keeps circling around like it's gonna do something.
You think they'd see you on in the go-kart. On the beach.
However many times I popped the flare.
Nah, they don't care about the
They're just ignoring us. They're like, oh yeah, we're not coming down there.
It's like a... yeah. It's like a... What's it called? They're actually the ones that shot down our helicopter.
Yeah, they're like, how do you think those people are doing? Let's see. Oh, they're still alive? Look at that.
Oh, it's over here. Just wondering where it was.
Be careful, last time you were over here, you got attacked.
Yeah, I know it.
It's still driving. It's like rolling.
That's okay. Loot and scoot. Can't carry more cans of soda.
Cannot pick up anymore. Sounds like Galveston.
That's C4. Eat and drink all you can. If your inventory's full. Because that's what'll keep your health bar full. Speaking of which, what would we do? Can I just... Sticky bomb. Explosive 3D printed arrow. I got hella bottles now. Yeah, Lily.
I'm eating these nasty oysters. Because there's a lot of them over here.
Yeah. I'm ready to go back to camp. And then we can trek out. That's fine. I'm killing these birds.
You're killing them?
Yeah.
Are you able to get them up close, or you have to use the spear?
No, you can get them up close. I'm getting the feathers. If you ever wanted to...
What are the feathers?
Feathers, they are for crafting arrows.
I think I picked a few arrows up. Not that I have.
I did too. I think there's a crossbow you can get. Be Daryl Dixon.
Oh, careful.
Did you harvest that at the same time I did?
Yes.
Interesting.
I didn't mean to. I was trying to put oyster up, but then it gave me the option to do that. Because everything is an 8 for me.
Yeah.
So if I'm not clicking it over the right thing, it'll like that's how I end up eating the leg because I'm trying to do something else. Like here you go, eat this. Be a cannibal.
Be one with the cannibals. I'm glad you finally came over to my side. The side of reason.
The side of reason.
Alright. You ready to head back?
I feel like you don't need a reason.
Getting dark.
I wanna get the bird. Ah, I got it!
Okay. I got it.
You can also get meat off of them. That's also what I was doing.
Only gives you one, huh?
Yeah.
Where is the golf cart?
Right here. I pulled it up.
Thanks. Ooh, the sky looks pretty.
Yeah, it is really nice out here. If it wasn't filled with cannibals, it'd be a nice little spot.
Little vacay spot.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I think you see our base off in the distance.
The white outline?
Yeah.
I think right around there's an open path.
Yeah, it's the road.
And then it filled up with snow. Whenever it was winter.
Yeah. Where is the road at? Oh, it's just a little...
So dark.
So we're gonna have to go reset the traps, probably. Just be ready to do that.
Reset what?
Traps.
Yeah.
Ooh, fireflies. Up, up. It doesn't look like it came through.
We can finish these other traps though with the...
Yeah.
Whoa! So I think I just cut it off.
Yeah, you probably did.
It keeps threw me in the air. Like as soon as
It's going to.
Okay. Do I need to reset it?
I don't know if you need to reset it.
Well, it makes you fly.
That's for sure.
Well, the control shells that I had are... Yeah.
My agave's slowly growing.
And I think some...
You get yourself on fire.
Yes, I did.
So the idea is you get a lot of meat, you put it on the drying rack, and once you put it on the drying rack, it doesn't spoil.
Okay, so I just leave all that there? I filled up one of them. Fire.
I didn't mean to eat it. Oh, you can't put it on. Okay, never mind. I was wrong. I am ready to go to bed so we can go on our next little adventure.
Put more stuff on the fire because it kept going out.
Let me look. Pistol, rope gun. So there's.
We need another torch. Ah! Oh my god!
What?
This is I don't know what it is, but it's really creepy. Please come over.
Whoa! What the heck? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa! Woo!
It's like a
Ah! Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it! You got it. Good job. That was spooky.
Yeah, it just flipped right over the tracks. Flipped over them. Like a big fucking worm.
They're coming out with bigger things.
Apparently you can harvest it.
Oh, it's probably get armor from it, hun.
Okay.
What did it say you picked up?
I wasn't. That was so scary. I did not know what to think when I saw that. I was not expecting that. Oh, behind you! Behind you.
Oh, I know it. We're just gonna let the traps do the thing. No worries. Yep, just like that.
Well, I came over here because I figured we might need another porch over on this side. On the other side of the opening. So we can see a little bit better.
Gotta remove these freaking corpses. Get these guys out of here. Put them on a fire.
I put them on the other rack? Or just
Oh, no, don't. Oh, I ate something. I ate somebody's freaking fingies. Golly. Collect these bones.
You need like a little bonfire. Why won't it let me put this thing there?
Interesting.
It won't let me.
Huh?
I'm trying to put a fire where these rocks are, but it won't let me.
It's a little janky sometimes.
There it goes.
Yeah, I kind of got to fiddle with it a little bit. So you can just toss your bodies. Just toss their bodies on the fire.
Got it. Did you put a torch over here?
Yeah. One torch coming right up once I find it.
Oh, thank you.
We're gonna need another bone stash.
Yeah, there's a lot of them. They're out into the woods.
Oh yeah, I know. That's the eeriness.
And the moon is full. Should be more vision with the moonlight.
Looking for the storage options. Rock storage, stick storage, log, done.
Look at this bush.
The aloe vera's looking good too.
Yeah, I know. About time. You ready to hit the hay?
Let's get rid of some of my seeds.
Okay.
Oh, hello, Joe. What the fuck?
He just
jumped
jumped right
over the plant that I've just put in.
What are you doing? You see him?
Yeah, he's probably trying to get to the rabbit
You could have
hutch.
gone around. That was rude. No, just going right on top of you.
We need to get the aloe vera growing. That's the main priority right now. I'm waiting for him to make the hutch so I can have more rabbits.
I'm trying to pick up more rocks and sticks.
I'm ready to hit the hay.
Okay.
That's all I'm ready for. All right. Make sure you eat.
Trying to see. I can make anything with that other. Cat food? Oh. The canned food is cat food?
Huh?
The canned food, it says it's cat food.
Oh, nice. Whoa, how the hell did you get in here, buddy?
They have a group cover again?
There's a big guy.
Oh, how the fuck did he get in?
Don't worry, I'm walking him through the traps. He ran away.
I'm resetting.
It didn't look like it affected him at all.
Oh, it hit him.
Did it hurt him? There's, I just looked at my pack. There's something I can make called a sticky bomb.
Yeah, I would hold. You can. Just be careful with it.
Filled up the rocks.
Are you ready to go on another adventure?
I'm gonna eat and drink. I'm trying to see
if I could make more with that other, what is
creepy
armor? That's what it's
Yes. You can't make it. You can only pick it up.
You just wear it. Okay. Alright. Creepy armor.
Wish the days were longer.
Yeah, same.
Hands are so dirty.
Molotov, leaf armor, bone armor, and cat food. What do I have cat food for?
Might be a cat in the game, man.
That would be cool, but I haven't seen any.
Definitely gonna make more bone armor.
Arrow leaf.
I suggest you do the same since we have a surplus of bone and rope.
Do what? You said make more bone armor?
Yeah. This is where I just made 2 bone armor. Where is it at? There it is. Make a little bit more. Oops.
Oh, I'm wearing the max, apparently.
Oh, okay. Good, good. You're gonna need it.
Circuit board. I got rifle ammo, buckshot ammo, slug ammo, more stun gun ammo. I keep forgetting I have a stun gun now.
Yeah.
Should I have that out instead of my axe?
No. I'd stick with the axe or spear. I think spear's pretty good. I'm kind of I'm a spear diehard at the end of the day.
Okay.
Golly, you're looking like a look at yourself.
How?
Oh, like come over here real quick. Take a peek at you.
Oh, you're talking about the cannibal?
No, like look at you.
I don't know.
You look like a cannibal. Yeah.
Oh my god! Maybe they're gonna think I'm one of them. Wow.
You're looking pretty dope.
I didn't know I was gonna put it on my face. You should make more bone armor.
I've made enough.
Do one more thing, because this meat is still not cooked.
Well, it's not. You have to put it on the fire to cook it, huh?
I know, but I started a fire twice.
Like you gotta put it literally on the fire.
I thought it was just supposed to smoke it above it.
No, that's over. This is overtime.
Oh.
Yeah. We grew aloe vera.
Look how big the bushes are.
Oh my god, I ate aloe vera.
What's the other one? The flowers? Just says question mark. Oh, sounds like trouble. I don't know what's this.
I'm ready to move. Because this is pretty far in.
Where did you go?
To the golf cart. Oh my gosh.
What?
This guy. I thought he was cool or something.
I don't know the golf cart.
Oh my gosh. Did you get him?
That's right. You're being killed by one of your own.
Get him. Yeah. Not dead.
Still not dead. What the fuck? God. Okay, now. Any more? No. Oh. No, there's another one. Climbing up the tree.
Hop in.
Okay.
Good luck, Joe. So we gotta go up here this way.
Is it autumn already? Or those trees? No.
Spring, I guess. Oh. So I think it's up here. There's a lake with 3 smaller streams or rivers coming off of it. That is where said cave is.
To the left of us?
I
mean on the map?
Up ahead.
Okay. That one we passed before?
I don't think so.
Oh no, it's a different one. I remember we've seen like two other cave entrances on land.
Yeah. One of those is where the shovel is, but we can't get to the shovel until we do this.
Oh dear.
I hit it.
There's little squirrels.
Oh, the caves are marked. Nice.
Oh, they are?
Go over here. Yeah. At least the caves we've seen. I don't know what the little orange thing is either. I think we should check in on that. Might be important.
To the right?
We'll cut through the brush.
Yeah.
And hope for the best. Hope for the best. Golly.
We didn't even need to go hunting. Just run over a bunch of animals.
Honestly. So you just have a rock.
Rock and roll. Rock and roll. Hey, blueberries.
Oh, we're not here for the blueberries. Only get out if you see aloe vera.
Whoa!
Oh.
Hey, I see fish. So,
Push. At least they float. You're like riding it like a boat.
Nice. Oh. Creepy. So this is it?
This isn't the cave.
But it's a cave.
But there's this orange thing we need to pick up. Gordon Puffton refuses to acknowledge what this place is, not even counting my team has been finding on the other side of the island. Surveyors are going missing. Our workers are turning up dead. If you won't deal with the situation, I will. Jinyu. Oh, behind us!
Oh, no.
Oh god.
Oh no. Dude, I turned around and he ran. No. Don't run this way. Don't. Just stay over there. The other side of the... No. Oh! Playing, keep away.
Oh, behind you.
Fucking bitch.
I almost mistook you for one of them.
I hate it when they come up behind us. And I get too scared and I move the camera all over the place.
And I fucking can't. I can't kill. Did you hear that?
Yeah, I did.
Do you want to go in there
or no?
Let me refer. Cover me. There's one right there.
Where?
Off to the left. Right, straight ahead.
Die. Okay,
they're dead.
Oh, roses. Another one on the ground. Go away.
Go away.
No, don't crawl towards me. There's 2 of them.
Fuck.
Crawling away. No, you're not. Oh, there's a big one. There's a really big one. Where are you? Oh! Jumped at
you.
Piece of shit.
Alpha came for you.
Ew. So we gotta go eastbound.
This flowers are pretty.
I'm gonna set this transponder back down because I don't think we need to be picking these up.
So they're just more for like plot, you think?
Yes, but I really don't want to be picking these up because we're just gonna miss whatever this is in here.
Okay. Oh, so you want to leave it here to come back to it?
Yeah, because this isn't the cave we gotta go into.
Okay. Oh, something else is coming.
We'll hop on the cart.
Okay.
They really don't want us to go in there.
We gotta go.
Red guys. See him?
Yeah, I see him. We gotta go this way.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
Hold on to your butts. We gotta go up here.
Oh!
Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh!
No.
Get out. Yeah. Headshot, baby. Headshot. Another big guy. This one has gold.
You just rolled out of the way.
Big guy.
Behind you.
Back up, Kelsey.
So I
Back
don't know
up.
what happened, but either way. Oh. Do not. Oh.
It's a double kill, baby.
Yeah, I'm trying to kill just one. He's coming after me! Ah! No! He got me. He's trying to get me.
I'm trying to take care of this guy.
I
Golly.
know. There's a lot of them.
Your armor's gone.
Damn. Well, it was good for some part, for a little bit. There's another big one running.
That's the one with my spear.
Stop laughing.
It's not dead? Golly.
Finish him all the way. They'll be like zombies.
Zombies and come back.
Some of them have pouches that you can take. There's so many roses over here.
It's like, oh, look at this pretty place that you can get attacked in.
Where did the golf cart go?
In the street?
No, it rolled back here. Yeah, it rolled all the way back here.
Yeah.
Hop on.
Mind of its own. Okay.
We just gotta go straight ahead.
That was
That
a
was a
lot.
lot.
That was a lot.
And
And
they're
really strong too.
I'm
I'm
glad
glad
you
you
told
told
me
me
to
to
put my
put my
armor
armor on.
Okay,
Okay,
come in.
Just right up here.
A lot
A lot
of
of
deer out.
deer out.
I don't know. How's your health looking?
I think it's good.
Okay. Armor?
Have
Have
some
some
still
still
on.
on.
I
I
don't know
don't
if
know if
there's
there's any
still
still on my arms.
There's
There's some still on my legs.
Because I
I
can't
can't
really
really
look at myself
to tell.
It's a little highlighted bar off to the left.
The
The
white one?
white one?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
It's
It's
a
a
little
little
more.
more than half.
Okay, you're doing pretty good. Yeah, we're gonna park it right here.
By the flower.
Right here.
And
And a spider web.
You ready? Can you make any bone armor?
Can I make any?
Yeah.
I'm
I'm
nervous
nervous
about
about
Well,
trying to make it.
Let's go inside real quick. I'll tell you if it's safe.